Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 4, Data Visualization. Data visualization is a crucial aspect of data science, enabling the effective communication of insights and patterns within data. In this module, we will explore various techniques and tools for visualizing data using our programming language. 1. Introduction to data visualization. Understanding the importance of data visualization. Principles of effective visualization. Different types of visualizations and when to use them. 2. Basic plotting in R. Using base or plotting functions. Creating scatter plots, line plots, bar plots, and histograms. Customizing plots with titles, labels, colors, and annotations. 3. Advanced plotting with ggplot2. Introduction to ggplot2 package. Constructing plots using ggplot function. Layering different plot elements. Customizing aesthetics and themes. 4. Geographic data visualization. Mapping geographical data using our Introduction to Spatial Data Visualization libraries, e.g., map, leaflet. Plotting spatial data on interactive maps. 5. Time series visualization. Plotting time series data in R, visualizing trends, seasonality, and anomalies. Using specialized time series plotting functions and packages. 6. Interactive visualization. Building interactive plots using Shiny framework. Incorporating interactivity with Plotly and Plotly. Creating dashboards for dynamic data exploration. 7. Best practices in data visualization. Design principles for creating effective visualizations. Avoiding common pitfalls and misleading visualizations. Tips for presenting data visually to different audiences.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.